welcome back to Cooking with Kids.
What are we making today, Caleb? Do you remember? A blueberry yum yum. And it is yummy. You guys are going to love it. So first we're going to start with some melted butter and 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs. So, no, it's open.
Yeah, it is.
Pour it in here.
All of it?
1 cup. Make it full. Okay. That looks pretty nice.
Can I try some?
Nope. Remember we just talked about this.
Yeah.
Okay. And then,
We put my butter.
hold on, I got a spoon for you. Ah. Yep. Pour in the butter. Scrape it all out real good like this.
Now what? Mix it up.
Mix it up.
I do it.
Now for this dish, you don't need to grease the bottom of the pan. It's going to be fine without it. This stuff. It's hard to mix, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So let me help you right quick.
Not blueberries.
No, they're the very last thing we're going to put on. So scoot them back over there.
Next to keys, friends. Next to keys.
Actually, we're going to make some whipped cream out of Dream Whip. Dream Whip. That's such a cool name.
That.
Okay. It's sugar. Okay. So let's pour this in and we're going to press it down. Wait a minute. Let me do this.
Right.
Pour it in here and press it down. You don't need this. You don't need this. Whoa, don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't do that. This is all about learning, right?
That way.
Okay, so wait, we gotta spread it out.
Spread it?
And then we're gonna push it down like this.
It looks like a cookie.
It does, doesn't it? It smells good too, doesn't it?
Yeah. Ready? My turn.
Okay, now for some crazy cool stuff. First, we're gonna make our Dream whipped cream. So we need 1/2 a cup of milk.
I'm thirsty, Mom.
Okay, we're not drinking this right now. Come on. 1/2 a cup of milk. Never measured over your bowl. You're doing it. You're doing great. Keep going. A little more. You want it to be full. Doing good.
Then
I'll top it off for you. You did wonderfully. So you want it to be all the way full. Don't feel bad if you spill it sometimes. We all spill it sometimes.
yeah. Ready?
Okay, so then we need... Nope, this does not go here. Listen and pay attention.
What?
So we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon.
What's this? What's this, Mom?
That's our Dream Whip.
Really?
So we're going to put that in there.
Okay.
And we're going to put this in there.
Let me pull it. I hold it. I hold it.
Let's do it over here.
I hold it.
You hold it. Hold it with 2 hands so you're holding it nice and straight and steady.
Oh, let's do it.
Hold it flat. Hold it over here so the people can see what we're doing. We're like sneaky hiding over here. Okay, pour it in. We're basically just making it based on the package directions.
Now where does this go?
Over here. So put this in there.
How do we open it?
Figure I'll help you. Okay.
It's white.
It is white.
Now
What colors?
mix it up.
Let me ask you something. What color's whipped cream?
White.
That's kind of what we're making. First we're going to just do this so we don't lose our whipped cream. Now this is going to be cool. You ready? Oh, we are not plugged in. That's kind of necessary. Oh no! Here goes the camera. Oh no. Okay.
Can I have one beat up?
No, we're not done. Okay. We don't eat till we're done. So next we're going to mix 1 package of cream cheese, with some sugar. You know what we need? A little fork. So pour all that in there. And
Crush it up.
yeah. You want to try to do it?
Yep.
Mix them together? I like to kind of mix it together before I use the beater so it doesn't go flying everywhere. Woo. Here, can I help you?
I got it.
Well, honey, let me help you, okay?
Fine.
You want to do it like this, kind of just go up and down and sunshine.
After you're done, can I have one beater?
No, not till we're completely done. When we're
That's
completely
what
done.
I said.
Yeah, when we're completely done.
Don't turn it up that high as your was. Don't turn it up.
Okay, so now we're going to beat this.
Turn it up on
Stop a minute. Stop, son, please.
Turn it up on number
I
one.
love you, but calm down.
Ooh, yum.
Okay, so stop it. Don't do that. That's one thing about cooking with kids. They constantly want to taste test.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's mix again. You ready?
Don't be out loud.
1, 2. Wait, count me down.
1.
You need more numbers than 1. Turn this way.
1, 2.
3. Now, you know what we're going to do?
What?
We are going to mix our Dream Whip with our cream cheese. Okay, so you want to push it. Yeah, see how you push it down like that. There you go. You want to get all of it out.
Ready? Wait to mix it up?
Nope.
Yeah.
We want to get it all out.
I mean, are you going to mix it up with this?
Yes, we are.
Can I squish it together first?
Yep, here, let me wipe this off.
It's going to be messy.
Here, taste this. Is that good?
Can I wipe off my face?
Did I get it on you? Look over and show the camera. Uh-oh. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah. Don't do it as loud as last time.
Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to have to get another spatula. We're going to pour this in there.
It makes a blueberries. And next we're going to be done after we pour blueberries.
Yeah. We'll be done. You get to lick the beater. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, it's squishy.
Is it?
It's so mushy.
It's going to be so good.
It's almost done. Wow.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I go look at after we are done? Take a look, try it.
What do I get? You get the beaters.
You can, I mean, only one time.
Okay, hold on.
You get one beater too.
Watch out now.
You get one beater too.
Listen, we're almost done. Don't lick that. We gotta put the blueberries on. Let's spread it. Oh my goodness. This looks so fluffy and delicious. You know what we forgot to do?
What?
What you're supposed to do when you do your graham cracker crumb is leave a little bit out, sprinkle some on top. Oopsie, we forgot that part.
You can sprinkle a little bit on top right now.
We could use a lick. Oh yeah. We can do just some regular, can't we? Okay, so I'm gonna do this.
Can you put some blueberries on my mixer? Or can
Yeah.
I try them after we're done? Make sure to don't put all the blueberries on there.
This is yummy, yummy blueberry pie filling. What's Mommy's favorite fruit, Caleb?
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Oh wait, let me split it out.
Hold on a minute.
That's enough.
No, you don't. No, I'm not gonna say none of this. Now, quick, this needs to go on there. This is like our 4th of July dessert. We're just missing the red. We got the blue and the what? Well, it's purple, but they call it blue, right? You want to spread it?
Yeah.
Keep it flat and spread it out.
Yeah.
Well, you're going to get blueberries. Don't wipe it on your clothes. Blueberry stain. Okay, so hold it flat like this. You don't want to get down in the white stuff.
To do it, can I start eating? No. Mommy, can I start eating?
Yeah, you can start eating.
Yay. Can you get me one beat off?
Just pull it off.
I can't. It's too hard.
Okay, so we're going to put just a few little crumbs.
Can I have some crumbs?
They're just graham cracker crumbs. And just sprinkle them on top. They'd probably be better if they were mixed with butter, but this will be pretty. Alright, let's take a look. What do you think, guys? Oh, yummy. Look at the sides.
Look at the bottom.
Look at the bottom. Woohoo! Now, what do you say?
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, guys. Look at the camera. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you next time.
Next time.